Gabi,
mga
Gabi.
Ang lakas nila. Ayun. Naputol. Okay, so everybody, on the count of 3, let's shout happy birthday, Alexis! 1, 2, di ba kaya? Wow! Kasi na, may candies na. Okay, and huwag kayo maglala because natagdagan pa natin yan. So, after you have gathered those candies, pila na kayo sa likod ko. Come on, let's fall in line on my back. Come on. Because it's time for our giveaways together with our mom and dad. Wala po yung ating birthday celebrant eh. Tulog pa. Yeah, so once again, we would like to call the mom and dad of Alexis.
Mamaya, mamibigay pa sila ng to. Pila kayo, dali.